Hey guys, it's me, Earth806 again, and okay, so you know that bird I was trying to get rid of in this other video of mine, that mockingbird? It's right there on the little pole. You can't see it very well, but it's right there. It keeps dive bombing me, trying to kill me. Yeah, those are just my sandal flip-flop thingies. And there's my kitty cat just laying on a chair, minding, and he sometimes meows and hisses at the birds, and they don't do anything to him. They seriously, leave him alone. But when I come out here, just trying to mind my own business and make a video, no. They have to dive bomb me and, peck at me. Well, they don't really peck me, but, you know, they try, pretty much. And they attack me harmlessly. I'm not even doing it. So here's my revenge. The first time I tried clapping those two flip-flops together and it made a really loud, boom noise. But that didn't really work, so hold up. I'll show you what I'm gonna do now as my second revenge. Oh, never mind. Have to fill it up. It broke! No! I was gonna use you as revenge. Never mind, I fixed it. Okay. Mwahaha. Okay. Close. Okay. There. Now, water won't leak out. This is gonna be epic. Sorry, you're just kind of sitting there staring at Dasani. Yeah. Okay. Well, I got my, weapon, as one would say. Okay. How am I gonna carry the camera now? Alright, I got this. Whew. Okay. You ready to see my epic revenge weapon? Ba-chow! Water gun. That's right. Okay, I'm not very good at aiming with my left hand. I'm right-handed. So I'm switching hands. And I'm gonna go shoot that bird with this. I don't care if I hurt it. I'm sorry, I like animals. But this bird has got to go. They are just, cruel to me and, it makes me want to cry. Okay, bird, face your doom! It doesn't reach it. Okay, I'm gonna put Dasani right there. Die! Die! Oh, I got it wet! Woo! I got it. Okay. Die! Fly away! Die! Die! What the heck? It's not doing anything! No! Die! Why won't you get wet? Die! I'm gonna be running out of water. It's coming to me! It didn't work. No fair. Okay. Oh, God, I don't know where it went now. I didn't get it. Well, I did, but just barely sprinkles. Oh, it's right there. Okay. It was getting ready to swoop down on me. I had a bigger one, but it doesn't work. It doesn't shoot anything, and the thingy gets stuck. So I went with the tiny one. But look at this. It doesn't shoot far enough. Oh, I almost dropped it. I guess me being swag right now doesn't work. Spin! Ooh, there we go. Yeah. So, I got it wet. You can see it's shaking off the water. Ha-ha! What now? Even though it didn't work. I'm angry. Yeah, okay. My revenge kind of failed. Sadly. I will find a way to avenge myself and get rid of that bird. Because it is just sitting there, and it's just scaring me. So I will find a way. Trust me. And when I do, stay tuned, I guess, because I don't know what to say now. Okay, bye!